Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to be replacing the Lancer's door handle. Yep, it's broken. Well, we already repaired this maybe 2 or 3 times already. So we bought some replacement parts, of course, AliExpress. So it's going to be an easy task. 2 bolts, and then this will be for the door latch, and then this will be for the key. So we already removed the door panel, so that will be a different video because I send the door panels for repair. You know, the leather that we did before, it was all wavy, if you want to say, or crumpled. So I had it repaired. So this car will be in a better state. So the 2 bolts will be through here and here. So you need a longer whoop. Let me grab an extension. I think this is long enough, right? Before we unbolt it, let me show you what's behind. So you need to unhook this and then that one, which is for the key, and then remove this and the other one behind this, which I think is visible from here. There. So taking this off, you just have to do it blindly. I can show you later how this works. Now it's off. So we need to take the key mechanism. You just have to insert here and then slide it out. So slide it back to the new door handle. Okay. So the one holding the key mechanism, just to explain this further, is just the wire here. So that's why you pry this out like so, so the wire will get out of the way. Now putting it back is just the reverse. You just have to manipulate it so it can go in. Sometimes it's a bit fiddly. Okay. So you just have to remember that there's a notch like so, and it needs to slide in this position, and that's simple. So we are going to put the bolt on. Just make sure that you have the right length, because if it's too long, this won't go flat on the body. So the bolts are on. Then all we have to do now is to slide the linkages, and we are done. Now the only hard part is we are doing this blindly. So there you go. Linkages are connected. So it will be the same on the other side, except there's a wire. Now to deal with the linkages. So it looks like this. The linkage actually looks like this. So you just have to slide it in, and then this should snap in, and then you will blindly lock this like so. Now opening this would be a little fiddly. There you go. Locking it back is this, then releasing it is this, and then same with the other one, which is this. Slide the shaft in first and then lock it. So for the key mechanism with better lighting, so you just pry this open and then slide this out. Putting it back, so no need to pry this, just press it in. So this is now done. Let's check if we can lock it. Lock. Open.